Hi, it's Jonathan from Premier here, and today's task is we're going to be cleaning here at Edmund Optics in York the whole building. So we've got all the cladding, the bullnose, the windows, right round the back on the north side. All the cladding is green, so we're going to get rid of all that, make it look nice and shiny. Finish off with a product called Final Wash, which is a bit of a waxing agent. It's a bit like you can take your car and get your car washed, or you can get your car washed and waxed, so it gives that little extra shine and extra protection. So we've got the team out here. Just come with me here. We've got the window cleaning van. It's a rock and roll, and we've got our soft wash system, which we use for soft washing buildings. So it uses low pressure, but we can use, if you just come a little bit closer, our blend module where we can mix various soaps, surfactants, various products to suit the cleaning requirements. So we use that product, and our bulk rinse, which rinses it all off. So basically the whole surface is sanitised. So if you need your building cleaned, give us a call on 0800 970 6875, or you can catch me on 07 808 803 270. Many thanks.